Hi friend, today I will show you how to add google.com as a default search engine instead of being in Microsoft Edge. To do that you have to click on here. After that you have to click on settings. Then you have to click on privacy search and services. Scroll down and below the services you can see here written address bar and search. Click on here and then search engine used in the address bar. You can select from here from the drop down menu. Select the search engine you want to put here. So as we wanted to put google.com, I click on Google and it is already set here. So this way you can do that. Let's search something here. As you see now it is searched from the google.com. Thank you for watching the video. If it is helpful, please like and comment.